Yes, that is something that we discussed before picking UV, was that we cannot leave so much burden on MS alone in the middle order. I'm willing to take up the responsibility of the order, but there needs to be one more guy with him down the order in case, the top order doesn't fire. If the top order doesn't fire, then you're left with MS alone, and he's guiding the youngsters more often than not, which is fine if you have, say, 15-20 games till a big tournament, but when you have only 3 games to prepare for a big tournament, I think you need to get all your resources in place. You need to make sure that the guys you pick are in good form, are in good nick, have momentum. Right now we don't have the time to nurture that one spot as such, because there's a big tournament coming up straight away. So that's why UV was brought into the team. We had discussed Raidu as well, but Raidu has been injured for a long time. He didn't have game time behind him. UV has had a very good first last season, so obviously he was in the reckoning before anyone else. So I think just gives the team much more balance in the middle order, lower middle order, along with MS and UV. They can really guide Kedar and Hardik still with them, but to have 2 experienced guys compared to 1 is a massive difference, and I'm sure Hardik and Kedar can learn a lot from them, batting around them, and I think it'll be great for them.
Last few questions.